Good day, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to copy link, that you will send to your supplier or to your agent, how to copy link that you will send to your agent, and how to use picture, yes, how to use picture to search on 1688.com. This is our 1688 homepage. This is how it looks like whenever you log in with your phone. Then what you need to do right now is that you are going to just scroll down, scroll down, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see this busy site, touch screen and client. I told you the last video that we are going to use them. So I'll just show you what we are going to use that PC site for now. We are going to use it to search for using picture on 1688. You click on that PC site. Yeah, it will load. Let it load. Then it brings something like this 1688 home screen. If you log in through your laptop or through your PC, if you log in through with your PC, if you log into 1688.com with your PC, it will bring these. But if you are using phone, just click on where you see that PC site. When you scroll down on your 1688 page, then it will bring you this page. So bring you this page. Then what you need to do right now, the page has already loaded, you will click on this camera icon. Yes, where you see this camera icon, can you see where you see this camera icon? You will click on it. Can you see? I've already clicked on it. Then if you go to my images, my gallery, to bring it out, and I can now choose whatever picture that I've saved. Remember, you have to have saved your picture in your gallery. Either you name it or not. But for my own phone, the type of phone I'm using, it will go straight to my gallery like this. Then I will click on any pictures I so wish that I want to search for. Let me just click on these two in one and let's see what will happen. I click on it and I will click done. Yes, the page has already loaded for me. Can you now see? Can you see? The essence of using picture to search on 1688 is to choose the cheapest price. You will be able to compare price and to search for genuine supplier. What I mean by genuine supplier, I mean is the supplier that will sell quality goods for you. So that's the essence of using picture to search on 1688. Can you now see? Can you see? Let me zoom it. This one is offering for 23 yuan, and this particular seller or supplier is offering its own for 36 yuan. Then you might even see some that are even offering it more to that price. Then you can click on, let me click on this first one. Can you now see? Let it load. Let it load. Yes, the minimum you can buy from this particular supplier is 2 sets, and their local courier fee is 5 yuan. Can you now see what I'm talking about? Can you see that? Then the next thing to do now is how to copy link. How you are going to copy link that you will send to your agent. The first method of how to copy link, assuming you want to just send directly to your supplier, to your agent rather. Assuming you want to send to your agent directly, how you are going to copy your link. Where you see the arrow, in the red circle beside this where I have 40, you click on it. Then it will bring you so many options. Then you can share directly where I have my share and WhatsApp icon. You can click on that that directly, and it will go to your WhatsApp page. Let me just do that. Once I click on it, can you now see share via, where do I want to share it to? Is it my WhatsApp? Is it my Facebook? Is it wherever you want to share it to? Once I click on my WhatsApp, it will load. Then I can just share it to whoever I want to share it to. Another, once you've copied your link one after the other, the next thing you are going to do is to number it. Remember to number your link. And the other thing you should know, I already, in our last video, in our first video, I talked about how to choose color and sizes. So this is how your link, the link you are going to copy, this is how you are going to arrange it. You number it, you write the color you want, the color you need. Probably you need red, or you need purple, or you need any color you need. You are going to see those colors the way it is on the site when you click on your specification. I talked about that in our first video. If you haven't watched it, you can go back to the first video to learn how to check for color and sizes. Then you write the color you want. Can you now see my own number one, how I write it, how I copy my own link, what I write under it, and the number I need. Make sure you write everything like that so that there won't be mixed up, or there won't be any mistake from your agent when they want to get the order. So that's that about that. The other method on how to copy link, what you what you need to do right now is to just press this down, this is the option it brought to me, and this is like you want to share directly. Can you see? You want to share directly, and this like rectangular shape is I want to copy link. If I press it down, you see URL copied, meaning I can paste it to wherever I want to paste it to. I do paste any link I copied into my notebook. Let me just show you how to do that. This is my own notebook. Then you can click on plus, then you paste it. Can you now see? If I click on this URL right now, it will take me to the same picture, the same picture, the same picture. Let me just do that for you. Let it load. Can you see what I'm talking about? It will take you to the same picture. That is how to copy link that you want to send to your agent. That is how to copy link you want to send to your agent. That is done. Just try and go through it and practicalize what I've just explained here. I'm very sure you are going to get it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing video on how to import by yourself from 1688.com, which is the cheapest site in China where you can order from. Thanks for watching.